producers provide food to all other organisms. Producers are the only provider and means only provider of food to the all organisms on the earth. Directly or indirectly, they get food from the producers or autotrophs or the green plant, you can say. So when we show this relationship, means all the consumer depend on the producer. When we try to show this relationship, uh, that that gets the shape of pyramid. Why? Because always in every food chain, the producers are shown first only, because from the producers only the other organism gets the food and other thing. So producers will be first when we talk about terrestrial. Still, I'm not audible. Okay, okay. So when we talk about terrestrial food chain, then we first we have to represent the plants. So plant always more in number, always more in number in case of aquatic, and always more in number in case of terrestrial. But when you talk about, means in terrestrial also, when you talk about forest, pyramid of number of in forest, there may be the different case. We'll discuss later, because in forest what happen, more means more other organisms than the plant. Means like the one tree is the shelter of many animals, millions of insects and arboreal animal, aerial animal. They give food and support to so many animals. So when you make the pyramid of number for the forest, there you will make that one tree, and one tree gives the food for many animals, and then this number increase. So that may be the inverted pyramid. Means I'll not make you confused by introducing this term inverted or the. Just right now we have to concern about pyramid of number. So pyramid of number is actually representation of this relationship, how the consumer depend on the producer, how the consumer depend on the producer. If you will show graphically, then you will find that it's a pyramid shape. Means the first level is just the bigger one, and after that the number of herbivores are reduced, and then when we talk about carnivores, they are more reduced. My voice is breaking. Okay. So means like here. Yes. So it's not audible clearly. Yes, yes, yes. You don't allow anyone. If they, huh, if she wants, she can. If she wants, she can message me directly. She messaged me. Okay, I'll check the message. Wait a minute. I'll check the message. Wait a minute. Where she message? I want the message in group. Want the message. Let me check the group setting. Okay, I open the setting here. I forgot to open the setting. Okay, now she can message me here. Then I will join. Ask her to join. Yes. Yes, definitely. Yes, yes. It's energy. Yes. See here. So it's a graphic representation of the flow of energy through each traffic level of means it's a traffic level. If you talk about producer, it's a one traffic level. Then another is primary consumer, another traffic level, and then secondary consumer, this another traffic level. So these are the traffic level in the pyramid of energy. So here, this pyramid of energy is actually the graphic representation of flow of energy. Yes.
Assalamualaikum.